The king of the jungle is back. And I'm of course referring to Jeff Bezos, who isn't resting and languishing on his yachts anymore. He's attempting to build a god. Remember the time when he stepped back from the Amazon throne? We told you then that this should not be mistaken as a retirement. Instead, it seems more like a pivot, a massive calculated shift to the final frontier. And now, of course, the numbers are spilling the beans. Project Prometheus, great name, carries a lot of resonance, but it's not just a name. It should be understood as a statement of intent. $10 billion in fresh capital, a $38 billion valuation out of the gate. The trillion-dollar dream is no longer a weak whisper. It's actually now transformed into a roar. The world nowadays is obsessed with chatbots, as we know. Everyone is speaking and consulting with ChatGPT like, well, it's a digital therapist. Bezos, well, he's not bothered in wasting his time with trivial poems or such. He's ignored the general AI hype altogether. Prometheus is gunning after the blue collar, which is heavy metal, hard science. And we are referring to AI for engineering, for manufacturing, computers, automobiles, spacecraft. Bezos has made his position fairly clear. Text generation is not the bet. Physical infrastructure is. The machines, the materials, the systems that produce things in the world rather than describe them. While the rest of the AI conversation has been about software, he has been writing checks for steel. The investor list here is not a collection of venture tourists. JPMorgan, BlackRock, these are institutions that move when they believe the underlying case is sound, not when they want to be seen at the table. Bezos is involved personally. Alongside him, co-CEO Vikram Bajaj and researchers Sherjil Ozair and William Gus. The core of what Bezos is building in industrial AI. The pitch, I believe, is not a product. It is a proposition about where manufacturing is going and who will own the systems that run it. The deal is not yet closed, which is an important detail, by the way. Large names and large checks have preceded difficult outcomes before. And industrial AI has a longer distance between, well, demonstration and deployment than the press cycle tends to acknowledge. What separates this from the standard funding announcement is Bezos himself. His record is not in consumer software, it is in infrastructure, which is physical, logistical, computational. He has built systems at a scale very few organizations have matched. That history is what the institutional money is buying into. The open question is whether the technology performs at the scale the investment requires. Bezos has spent his career building the pipes through which commerce flows. The argument Prometheus is making is that physical manufacturing is the next set of pipes, and that the companies controlling the machines that build things will occupy a position in industry similar to the one Amazon built in retail. Whether that argument proves correct is what the next several years will determine. And here, of course, now is the front page take. The Prometheus investment is worth watching for a reason that goes beyond the headline number, which is this. The money coming in is not, well, speculative. JPMorgan and BlackRock do not take positions, by the way, in companies to generate press coverage. Their presence signals a belief that industrial AI has moved from theoretical to investable. Bezos choosing to lead this personally rather than through a fund is also not a casual decision. He is making a directional bet that the physical world is where AI's most durable value will be created. The jobs being created in this space are not in building the models, they are in deploying, managing, and maintaining the systems those models run. That distinction will matter considerably in the decade ahead. The machines are being built. The question of who operates them is, well, still open. Do tell us what your thoughts are as far as the comments are in the comments section, please. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.